In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the banner on Square website. Now, first you want to go to your dashboard, then you want to go to online over here on the left, and you want to click on websites. Whenever you do this, you want to go to website in the left over here, and you want to click on editor to open the editor where of course we can customize the banner and everything else regarding our website here on Square. So wait for a few seconds for this to load. Usually it takes just a few seconds. There we go. Then you can see over here in the home tab, there's your banner. So if you want to customize it, you want to click on it where it says the main banner, click on it. And then over here on the left, you can basically extend this customize tab and you can go ahead and customize it. You can go and customize the layout. There's a bunch of different ways you could present this, as you can see. So you can have like whatever you want here. I'm just going to leave it like this. You can have the alignment over here if you want to align things differently. You have the section height over here, which allows you to change that as well. And then here, you could go and basically change it to be XS, S, M, or L, up to you. I'm going to make it M. And then here you have color styles. You have default, you have this one, there's a bunch of different ones you can basically use. Okay, of course you can edit these color styles as well when you click on it here, and you can change this to whatever you want or reset the default if you want to go back to basic. Now whenever you've done that, you also have the option down here to change the background color. So you can click on here, and if it says like this for me, if you want a background color, simply change your background to none. I'm going to click on here, and as you can see, image is right now in the background media. If I change it to none, I can go and basically change it to color. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.